Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna embark on an adventure as we delve into the captivating world of animals. Get ready to be amazed by some of the most extraordinary creatures that inhabit our planet. Segment 1, Amazing Animal Adaptations. One of the most fascinating aspects of the animal kingdom is their remarkable adaptations. Take the chameleon, for example. Its ability to change colour not only helps it blend into the environment, but also serves as a way to communicate with other chameleons. Segment 2, Breathtaking Biodiversity. The animal kingdom is incredibly diverse, with millions of species that come in all shapes, sizes and colours, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Each species plays a vital role in maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystem. Segment 3, Wildlife Conservation. While we're in awe of the beauty of these creatures, it's crucial to remember that many animals are facing threats to their survival. Habitat loss, pollution, and climate change are just a few of the challenges they're up against. Conservation efforts play a vital role in protecting these incredible species for generations to come. Segment 4, Extraordinary Animal Behaviors. Animals display some truly mind-boggling behaviors, from intricate mating dances to complex social structures. Their behavior offers us insights into their lives and the natural world as whole. Segment 5, Behind the Scenes at the Zoo. Zoos provide us with a unique opportunity to observe animals up close and learn about their behaviors and needs. However, responsible and ethical practices are essential to ensure the well-being of these animals. And there you have it. Our journey through the animal kingdom has been nothing short of awe-inspiring. From their incredible adaptations to their diverse beauty, animals continue to teach us valuable lessons about life on Earth. In the comments below, let us know which animal you find the most fascinating and why. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our upcoming adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our planet. Bye guys, see you in the next one.